Here's all the pieces for the next project. You're going to need 2 sleeves. You're going to need 2 for the front and back of this. You're going to need 2 for the tie that goes around under the breast. And you're going to need 2 pants legs. And I will show you guys how to put this together in the next video. Bye-bye. Alright, so now with this top. So if you guys see it, you're going to sew down this side. Sew down this side. Sew down this side. And sew down this side, okay? So now we're going to take, I'm going to flip it over so you guys just can see, okay? And I got the sleeves already prepped to go in, so I'm for sure you guys know how to set your sleeves. So I just want to show you guys these bottom pieces that goes. So find the front of your top, okay? And you're going to take one corner of this, guys, and you're gonna put it right here, and then I need you to overlap it a little bit at the back, guys. So back here, I need you to overlap it a little bit at the back. So when you overlap it a little bit at the back, it can catch your breasts underneath there. So a little bit in the back, just overlap it by a little bit. And these is going to be the pieces that ties up under the breast. So these is going to be the 2 pieces that ties up under the breast. So I'm going to show you, I'm connecting one for you guys live so you guys will know how to do these pieces. But yeah, so you'll connect it, overlap it a little bit on the back, and then you go from there. And these will be the pieces that ties when you do the shirt. Almost there, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm talking about now. So when you look at this top, right? So this is the top. And if you guys see back here where the seam at, I overlapped it a little bit in the back so that it'll have a little bit of the back. And then this part goes and it ties under. So you guys know I try on the shirt and show you guys how it goes. But this is the piece that's going to tie. And then we're going to connect this other side, guys. And that's how we're going to do it. Alrighty. Hey, guys. So this is what your top should look like so far. So you see why I tell you guys to go back here and connect it? Because when you tie this around your boobs, you don't want your boobs to be hanging out in the back. So that's why you overlap it a little bit. So now I'm just about to connect the sleeves, guys. So I just want to show you guys how that top should be looking. So I'm going to connect the sleeves, and then the next thing is the pants, guys. So I just wanted you guys to get an idea of how the shirt should look. Alrighty then, I'm about to connect the sleeves. And then I'll connect the pants. Okay then, bye-bye.